Hello and welcome back to a new episode on how to log in. In today's video, I will guide you on how you can download Flow app on your device. It's a really quick and easy video, so make sure to follow all the steps and watch this video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification so that you won't miss any future upcoming videos from our channel. Now, in order to download Flow app on your device, you have to firstly head over to Play Store or App Store on your device. And there you have to search for Flow. Now, this app is not available in my country, so this type of message is appearing on my screen. If this app is available to your country, then you will be able to see install button on your screen. If you can see install button at the screen, you can tap on install button, and once you tap on install button, downloading process will be started, and after a while your app will be downloaded and installed to your device. And that's how easily you will get Flow app on your device. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. I will be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.